Welcome back, Cooper's Automotive. Another little job. Customers complain the door won't open from the inside. If you look at that, door handle's broke. Anyway, so I'm going to put a used part in there. This is a 1999 GMC Yukon Denali, and I'm going to show you how we replaced this. Man, it's July. It's still so hot in the shop. Fans are blowing around the hot air. It's crazy. Scotty, how hot is it?
How hot is it?
It's so hot. I was watching the news the other day, and polar bears are wearing sunscreen. Alright, so let's get going on this thing. First thing I did, I went ahead and you just unsnap this for your wiring for your switches here. And then we're going to unplug this and just get it out of our way. Should be there's a little tab right there. Kind of stacked some tools up here. Who knows if they're right. Got a good shot at the top of my head there. And maybe, who knows, we won't be interrupted while we're trying to do this. Everything's plastic these days. Kind of crazy. Okay, let's get the light on top of this thing. There. And there's the clip. So it should pull right out of there. It should. Alright. Let's go on with that. We got two fillet screws sitting right in the top of this area right here that have to come out. Let's see how that's going to work out. So those two screws are out. This should pop right out of this corner. There's a little clip right there. Slide. I just slid it up out of that clip. Corner cover. And set that on my dash. There's a little tab here. I'm going to pull it. There we are. Now, let's see what else is holding this door. I believe it's probably just door clips, but some of them just slid up. Not going to be this one. Let me look underneath. Oh, I'm laying on the ground.
I think it's two on each side.
I'm getting underneath that I can pull it back enough I can see underneath it and try to get a hold of those clips. There they are. Those are some strong clips, these GMs use. Even on this old beast. We may have to replace some of them. Doing my best work right now. People think I'm working on a car when I'm laying down like this. I'm really sleeping. Done that. Rolled the Cooper underneath the car so dang tired, fell asleep. Woke up. Got stuff falling out of this panel. This is not a New York car. So rust should not be an option, no problem here. Get my old body up here. Probably be doing this till I'm 80. People want to become a mechanic, right? Clip there. Clip there, got those out. I try to find where they're at. Otherwise, you might break the door panel. Can't see this one though. So that should be all of them. I think I got something else holding this here. Look at all that stuff falling out of the door. Even my tools. We had that out. You would think at this point this thing would come out of here. But I think this cover comes off right here. It does. There's me. See how that works. Got the clip behind it. There we go. Got to get that little bezel out of there. Let's see if that gives us any more room to swing it out and push it up. Come on, baby. Did you grunt when you did it, or Scott? You did.
Yeah.
You did?
It was a hard grunt.
That's what made it easier.
Yeah. It always helps.
Okay. Door panel will just sit right here. We got some clips that stayed in. Just take them out. Looking on the floor for any others. Let me put these back in the door panel. That one slides right down in a notch. Right there. And that one's bent a little bit. Alright, so here's the door handle. Next thing you gotta do, there's a rivet right there. You gotta drill that rivet out of there and then pull this up. So let's find a drill bit. My YouTube friend, nice guy, he always tells me, wear sunscreen. Your neck is so red. I kayak fish a lot. And I wear sunscreen. But I'm Irish to the core. So we got that out. Somebody's put an extra screw in there. Look at that. That does not look factory. I wonder what was going on with that. That doesn't. You didn't take a screw out of yours there, did you? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. There might be a screw down inside here though. No, I don't feel anything. I'm not worried about breaking this one at all because it's already broke. Let's see what's going on here. How did it slide? Let's look at the replacement part real quick. It's a different color. He didn't care about that, he just wanted something functional. There's that, there's the little latch that holds in inside. Plastic cover, two little clips that are going to go in. But looks like it slides forward and then out from these little notches. So let's see if that's true. She didn't move. She's gonna move one way or the other. Come on, baby. There we go. So they fit a little snug in there. See what's broken right there? That piece. See if I can get that clip out of there. Like I said, there's two of them. And again, this is the old one, but so we don't care what breaks. That piece just comes flying out of there, that's fine. Gives us a little more room. Yeah, I bet a pair of cutter pliers would have worked well for that. Let's see if this is going to do it. Get in behind it. Here we go. Got that one. What do we call these, Scott? We take off an old part?
Garbage?
Airplane parts. Take them off and let them fly. Anyway, try the other broken piece out. Let it fly. There we are. So you got your handle here. The other piece. Did it fall down inside there somewhere? There it is. Alright. So we got to connect those back. Let's get our non-airplane part. Put it back in its clips first. Get it up in there. Our light kind of fell over there. You're just going to push them down hard and they lock in. This one. Being careful on that bottom one, because that bottom plastic piece is really fragile, I guess is the best word. There, and then it's clipped in. Now line it up, back it up a little bit. Here's your notches. Get it down inside those notches and push it back. We're not going to need a screw back here to hold this one. That's awesome. Check it. It's pulling. It's working. The used one's got a spring that's broke on it. It's working for now. So, it's what you get when you buy used, this door panel stuff. I like to keep it in place, but it's just deteriorated. It needs a whole new shield put in there. Not a lot I can do. I don't have one. Gotta talk loud because he's over there screaming with that. I gotta take a walk away and go get one. We're back. Got my clips to install. Let's get this broken one out. Notch that one in there. Let's put this one back that I used to notch. There we go. Right there. Alright, we'll leave that there. Okay, we need a rivet gun. Right in the bottom hole here. Just to secure it in place. There you are. That didn't work. That rivet's too small. So we'll drill it back out and find the right size. Get her back in place. Let's find the right rivet. Change our adapter over. I'm going to use one of these really long ones. Steel. Should hold it. Oh God, man, I'm soaked from just all this heat. Whew. Alright, let's try to line this back up. This is definitely big enough. There we go. Secure. Handle's working. Now we just need to pick our door panel back up and put it on. There was, you see right there, that's a light socket. And it fell down inside of here. And there's some stuff that was in this door panel. Let's lay that on the seat. Let's unclip this and get that bulb out of there. It's supposed to be in here. There we go. Now let's put this back. Notches in. Clips in those clips. This thing just keeps deteriorating. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez. Alright, so hold it up. And we'll get our clip that fell off down there. Take it back up. This thing is supposed to twist and lock in. I think what I'm going to do is put it in when we get the door panel on. So I'm going to take this back out. Set it on the seat. Why did that quit working? There we go. That clip that bill. Get it back in its spot. Some days it just fights you. Put that in the hole there. Pick it up. And we'll get the door panel knocked down inside. Now line up all of our clips into the hole before we start knocking it in place.
Light fell out of the hole.
Did it. Light fell out. Of course. Glad you caught that. I would have cussed. Line up the bottom. Back in my sleep mode. Worked till like 9 o'clock last night. Okay, we're back. We got the clips lined up. You just tap your panel in. That one didn't line up. Just a little bit up. Okay. Our corner piece. You never know what scallywag's going to show up at the shop, start talking about their events. The back in the day stuff. Alright, got that little button, just pushes right back there. She's in place. So, corner's in, that's in. We got to put 2 screws in here, put that in. Here we go. Get this locked in place. Just set that right there. Should go in and twist and shout. It actually clips in and it's not, so it's going to stay in there this time though. Alright. Next. And then all I'm going to do here, that's all it does. Clips in. It's not beautiful, but it's working. We've got to plug our switches back in. Cherish your vision. Timmy can't see. This way though, being very careful with it. Definitely that. Get this thing indexed here. It doesn't even look right. That's it. I don't like it. That's our power window circuit. Let's turn the key on and test this. Our door locks are working now. You can't show lock because the doors are open, so it defaults it out. Here's the space it slides in, and 2 clips back here. Just sits down inside and push. 2 screws right here. Should start it and run the air conditioning while I'm working. Feels like I've been swimming. Look at this.
That's what 98 degrees will do to you.
We're in a heat wave, right?
Yeah. And the humidity is high.
Our subscribers from New York are talking about how hot it is up there too. Joe says, I know what it's like to be in Florida. Joe, I'm not quite sure, but maybe. I've only been in New York a couple times. I don't even remember, I was young. Alright, we got a fix here. We do want to shut the door while I'm inside and make sure it opens. So close the door. And she works. So I just got to clean the door panel up, make it look pretty again, just like me. And that is a 1999 GMC Yukon Denali 4-wheel drive, tax included. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Find us on Facebook and on Google+. See you soon.